Hi guys, this is Jeevanandam. Welcome to the presentation on Introduction to Programming. Introduction. Programming is a skill just like a normal subject, English, Maths, kind that the programming is also a skill. It provides the knowledge on various dimensions like reading ability, analytical thinking, and creative synthesis and attention detail. It provides immediate solution to the particular problem. What is programming? Programming is a process. Process is nothing but it is a set of instruction can be running together. Then what is the programming? Program is a instruction. Those instruction can be running into the computer and it can be providing the immediate solution to the particular problem. Then what to do in the programming? The programming process involves first of all the understanding the problem. Into our society, various kind of problems can be rising to the business processes. For the problems, we have a solutions we can find through the programming. And another thing is designing a solution. As I am telling you, we can solve the problem immediately. We can find the solution. For that, we need to write the coding, and we may test the code by using the compilers, and it can be make corrected. If you are written any code as a wrong, that can be called as error. We can correcting the error. We can tell that as a debugging, and finally we have to be maintained that all as a program. The programming languages. The programming language is consisting of a various kind of coding and words that are all called keywords. Sometimes the program may follow the separate syntax for individual processes. This may classified into three types actually. One is machine language and another one is assembly language and third one is high level language. Let us see one by one what it is. Machine language. The machine language can have a streams of bits, which means that zeros and ones. The various kind of uh, queries can be posted into the computer as zeros and ones. This can be identified by the computer. The computer can only read zeros and ones. This is called binary language also, and which can be referred as a first generation programming language. Another thing, assembly language. The assembly language is developed in 1950s. Actually, it is a second generation language developed by Grace Murray Hopper that can be used to identify as a symbols and mnemonic codes. Those mnemonic codes can express something as a programming keyword, and that can be find the solution to the separate problem. This is what we can refer as a assembly language programming or microprocessor programming. And third one is high level languages. The high level language can use it to improve the efficiency of the problem solving technique into the computers. The high level languages produce the portable programs. We can solve the particular problem by using the high level languages, and we can take it out into the real world as way. Then another thing, it is easier to learn. We can easily learn by using the simple keywords. It requires less time to write. Why? Because we have to be easily understand the concept, and we can use the keywords to write the programming, and we can maintain that program for a long time, and will be provide the better documentations. See the window. This is the high level languages coding. Each and every programming languages has the separate syntax and its design one way, and the termination of a programming is also differs in each programming languages. The high level languages can be converting into the high level language to machine level language. That process is called the compilation. The compilation is nothing but converting the high level language into machine language. Why? Because the high level language can be understood by the programmer and the machine language can be understood by the machine. At the time of writing the high level languages into the termination of a user, the user can understand easily, but the machine could not be understand the keywords. Those keywords can be converted into the machine language. Only the machine can understand the actual high level languages of what the user want to try to run. At the time, the computer can be run all those things through the compilation processes. For example, we have a various kind of high level languages: Fortran, COBOL, C, Basic, Pascal, Algol, and many other languages are there. In nowadays, Go is the programming language which can be identified for solving the blockchain technology. Thank you. If you have any queries, post into the comment box, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.